Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will do revisit video of Nichesss AI Writer. This AI Writer is available on AppSumo for almost 2 years already. So in this video, let's check, is it still relevant in 2024? The price stays almost the same, $59 for unlimited content. So you get unlimited tokens. I believe those will be GPT 3.5. I got this Nichesss deal for myself a while back. I was using this tool and was enjoying it actually. So let's check, is it still relevant? I'll check what new features were added, and we'll focus more on auto-blogging and mostly on one-click post generator, this one. But first, let's quickly check what are the features we are getting. There is extension, which will integrate Nichesss into tools like SEMrush or even RankAtom. I saw integration there. When you do your keyword research, there will appear a button in front of your keyword, which will open Nichesss window, and it will prompt you to generate article for that particular keyword. So this AI writer provides you with a lot of custom tools, and you can even request to make a tool for you. And to give you an idea what kind of tools you will have, let's go to documents and let's create new document. So you can create something as a blank document or from a template, which is actually nice to have. So let's check this one, affiliate review, and let's save. So when you start from a template, you are given a particular template structure. You can fill variables, apply those, and ask to write a document. You can also have an option to use different tools, like you can see to the left. There are different categories for different use cases to extract keywords, find those in a sentence, for example. Something for Pinterest. So let's check something for blog, like blog post intro. So you give a description and you get your content. That's just another way to use this tool. But as I mentioned, I will mostly focus on one-click post generator. And let's see what other useful features we can have in this tool. There is feature video generator, but it is not included in a lifetime deal. You need to pay $9 monthly. And also there is a useful feature where you can configure destinations, where you can add credentials to your WordPress site. So Nichesss will publish posts created directly to your WordPress. And with AppSumo deal, you get maximum 2 destinations. Alright, so now let's actually start testing one-click post generator. Let's choose that. So here is the flow. And by the way, you can use it as light or dark theme. Regarding blog post title, let's use this one, how to optimize images for WordPress. Sections, let it be 8. Yes, let's include FAQ section. Destination, yep. Let's choose my saved website. The tone, there are some interesting ones like Gen Z tone or pirate or very rude. That's interesting. But let's stick with casual. No tags needed. And into keywords, let's add this one, optimize images for WordPress, and let it be first person view. Okay, so on the next step, we are getting outline. So let's include that. We can update our outline. Let's include all of that. This one, let's generate. Okay, so I think I will choose all of the suggested items from the outline, and we can rearrange that. That's a nice feature. We also get in some FAQ section suggestions. Those looks relevant, so let's generate. Okay, I can see the status created successfully, but actually you can request other documents while waiting for some generations because there is a document queue and you can return to your documents in progress. But let's actually view our document. Okay, first let's check how many words we're getting. Oh, that's nice. We are getting more than 2,000 words. Let's check readability in Hemingway application. Readability grade 8. I think it's okay, average, I would say. And just out of curiosity, in the originality tool, let's check the first 900 words. Honestly, I expect it to be 100% AI generated. Yes, because I believe they use GPT 3.5. It's not a bad thing, but just please keep in mind, if you need to bypass tools like Originality, maybe Nichesss is not for you. But if you just need to generate your blog posts, make those useful, generate other content, then Nichesss is fine. Let me also quickly scan content. I like the way it starts, like as a web developer, I have learned the value of optimizing images for website. Yeah, pretty nice introduction. Then we're talking about size of the images. We're getting some lists of options, talking about why it is important. Then we are getting some useful suggestions for image optimization plugins. And I like this first-person view perspective. Just read this one. When it comes to optimizing images for WordPress, I have a few favorite plugins that make the process a breeze. That's actually a very nicely structured sentence. So I believe Nichesss really fine-tuned their prompts to provide the best content possible out of GPT 3.5 Turbo if they use that large language model. So regarding the actual image plugins, that is actually a great list because personally I use Short Pixel myself. That one I believe is also a nice one. Yep, here it is, their first suggestion, which is actually 1 million of installations. So that's really a nice suggestion. Looking through the text, we're getting down to FAQ section. I think it is a well-structured blog post. So let's check that for SEO Score as well. I have opened Neuron Writer and just edit title and the same title in the description and just edit H1 heading. So we are getting some base score already, and let's paste the rest of the content. All right, so we are getting score 61, and we're actually beating top 10 median, which is 56. So we can say that Nichesss provides SEO optimized content. That's nice. And with Neuron Writer, which is also a great tool, and I will link to that in the description as well, you can further optimize your content. There is newly added feature like auto insert. So it will add keywords that were not yet included. So here it is, we are getting our suggestions. This is the original one and that is updated one. So we need to accept one by one. For example, accept it and let's see the score. Yes, it is improving. So we're getting 62 now. So let's accept all of the suggested updates and see how further we can improve our score. Okay, so now we're getting score 68. Not bad. So what else can we do? We can improve our terms in headings. Let's actually do auto insert as well. Okay, I see it didn't improve the headings, but further improves the content. Okay, let's apply that one more time. Of course, you will need to read the suggested improvements because maybe the quality and the clarity of the content will suffer, but anyway, let's see what kind of SEO score we can get. All right, now we're getting 74. And let's see the readability. Before we had grade 8, and now it is grade 9. Okay, so you need to find the right balance between cranking up the optimization and readability. And the last feature I wanted to test, auto-publishing. Here it is. The article was in draft state, posted directly from Nichesss. Okay, here it is, the content that was published from Nichesss. It's nice. And before we wrap up this review, let's actually check if it can write on the most recent topics. Like, can you write the reviews for the latest products with it? For example, you would like to write review for this robot vacuum cleaner. I think it won't be able to do that. But if Nichesss team would add this feature, like getting some pieces of information from the internet during one-click post generator, then this tool would be even more powerful. So let's choose that title, tone, let's choose again casual. These are our keywords. Let's use third-person view, go next. So let's use this one, design features, and let's use this one, Roborox S8 Pro price. And let's generate. And before we look at our generation, please keep in mind that this one-click post feature is available for AppSumo deal users as 1,000 times per month. So AppSumo users can use 1,000 one-click post generations monthly. Okay, so let's view the document. I'm more interested in price. We're getting actually nice expert citations. Yep, as I expected, I think it uses a general ChatGPT knowledge and not adding the exact price, but I think it is expected and was not promised in this AI writer. All right, so let's move to the conclusion. And the main question is Nichesss still relevant in 2024? And I think, yes, it is still relevant. We can see people still buy the software. There are recent reviews from January. You can see several reviews, recent ones. People enjoy using this software. And of course, it will depend on your use case. But if you would like to utilize one-click post generator, it is really easy to use. In my test scenario, it provided nicely optimized content, which you can further optimize with tools like Neuron Writer. And in general, yeah, Nichesss is really nice AI writer. So if you would like to try this one, please check my affiliate link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.